Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install CopyQ in your computer in a very simple way. CopyQ is an advanced clipboard manager with scripting and text formatting support. What you have to do first, you have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for CopyQ download. You can simply see. So you can simply click on this CopyQ download source.net, click on that and click on the download option. And as you can see, your download will start shortly over here. After that, if you click on this download option, you can simply see the download has been started, and it's about, you can simply see the folder icon. Click on the folder icon, and if you click on it 2 times to install and click on the install for all users, click yes for the permission, and you can simply minimize all of your favorite background app, and then you can simply click on the OK and click on accept the agreements and click on the next and next and next, and then click on next another time and click on desktop icon and click on automatically start CopyQ and click install. After completing installing, you can simply see the CopyQ is rightly open in your computer, and as you can see right now, the CopyQ is rightly open here. So as you can see right now, your CopyQ rightly opened in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.